Hi, my name is Yeap. I'm the CEO of YGL CONVERGENCE BERHAD. For the last 30 years, our team has been developing enterprise solutions for the SMEs in Malaysia and in the surrounding countries. 90% and more of our customers are from the manufacturer sectors, and we were blessed and trusted by some of the leaders in the respective verticals to embrace our solution. The current COVID situation has left us, everybody here, a very profound information that we have actually extracted and exploited too much of the natural resources, and as a result of it, we have actually hurt the environment that we are living with. In line with this global catastrophe and also the trend of digitalization to enable people are able to work with business partners and internally without the need to have physical contact, we have decided to strip down our $1 million solution to something that is affordable to the micro enterprise. This solution will computerize your manual production and manufacturing activities. And this solution will help you to reduce the wastages in terms of raw material and also your direct labor, and also take away the duplication of work, transferring information from one person to the other manually or through Excel spreadsheet. Clear the mundane time of your existing staff to convert them into a talented pool of resources that can actually add value to your company. By helping you to make sure that you have zero wastages, use less electricity, we are able to maximize the extraction from our Mother Earth and make sure that we do not hurt the environment and ended up throw away on those value extractions from the world. What this thing does is to provide a digital platform that computerizes the otherwise manual tracking of job orders within your production floor. This system will track the machines in your production floor, individual machines in your production floor, and different processes in your production floor. It will track your job order on an order-by-order basis, and it will track the whereabouts of your job order, the utilization of your machines, and it will alert you whether your usage of the raw material, and if you are power hungry, your usage of electricity or your usage of your labor hour is exceeding your expectations. A lot of SMEs that we encounter are pretty surprised when the monthly profit and loss account come out and the bosses was complaining that the margin was too low. They're making an unexpected loss that they do not know reason why, and everything is too late. Yeah? This solution is to give you a real-time online update so that you can take remedial action immediately rather than take a month delayed action. All right. All these things that we're doing, we intend to let you own it for a minimal investment per month. We all know that the selling price is not determined by us. The selling price is dictated by the market. Where our margin comes from is actually from how efficient we are. This solution will help you to reduce your usage of raw material, help you to identify inefficiency in your direct labor, help you to maximize the utilization of the utility, and help help you to identify machine problems and make sure that the machine that you spend a lot of money to invest in are utilized maximum rather than being underutilized or laying down there, basically not doing any productive work. Yeah. All this will actually translate to helping you to cut down on your direct manufacturing costs and therefore increase your margin. This is the immediate benefit that we like to show you that this solution is capable of. And also this solution will prepare you for the future. We all know that the whole world is going for digitalization. The whole world is going to Industry 4.0 adoption. This solution has all the connection to smart machines and IIoTs because this solution is stripped down from our $1 million system. And this solution actually has all the Lego blocks and all the integration to prepare you to the future of Industry 4.0. In order to embrace you guys, to create a better environment, a better country and a better world, we are actually put ourselves in the position of a customer, and we are actually managed to convince ourselves that just for the duplication of effort that we can save from our solution to your support staff is enough to pay for the monthly investments that you have on our solution. And this has not taken into the accounts the manufacturing wastages that this solution is capable of helping you to achieve, and also to improve on your reaction time to your customers and the quality delivery to your customers. And more important of all, this solution will allow you to be able to control your manufacturing activities by you not having the need to stay in the production floor day in, day out.